National Drug Authority has embarked on supporting local manufacturers, more so chemists and pharmacists in laboratories to produce quality and standard drugs. Abias Ramwiri, the spokesperson for National Drug Authority, notes that they are supporting local manufacturers to promote safety of the locally manufactured drugs.
The local manufacturers to improve the quality or the safety and the efficacy of the drugs they release on the market. As a National Drug Authority, we are mandated by law to ensure that we regulate or ensure that the products, which are drugs or healthcare products that we release on the market, are safe, work well, and are of good quality. Now, we all know that more than 70% of the products of our drug need specifically is met through importation. And we need to support local manufacture to make local manufacturing of these drugs to achieve drug safety.
He adds that NDA wants to ensure standard by the chemists and pharmacists in their production.
Because technology is changing every single day, and more importantly in the drug business, in drug formulations, in drug regulation. So we want to give support to local manufacturers to be able to be up to the task, because whereas we would like to support the government policy of buy Uganda, build Uganda, as National Drug Authority we cannot compromise or bend the standards of quality, of efficacy, and quality of the drug.
Dr. Aisha Bukenya, a chemist from the Mavid Pharmaceutical Industry Limited, says it's high time the locally manufactured drugs outcompete the imported ones.
That our minds are in the right place, our intentions are in the right place, our actions are in the right place, because everyone, each one of us local manufacturers is geared towards making sure that we have what we need to survive as a country, locally made here. Basic essential medication all the way to any kind of advanced medication that would be needed. We need to make sure that we have it here. So I'll not say we are going to provide this for you tomorrow or next week, but at least we are ready to take steps in the right direction.
She, however, expressed the need for more support by the NDA to local manufacturers.
Given that it's a very capital-intensive business, we would like to see that there are certain budgets or funds allocated to support local manufacturing and drug discovery, because it is a capital-intensive thing that an individual might not necessarily be able to fund on their own. But if the government comes in to provide such resources, it would make it easier for the scientists to carry out the different tests that are required.
COVID-19 has been cited as an eye-opener to the local manufacturers to produce drugs within the country.
But the pandemic opened up our eyes, and we knew that we have to rely on ourselves. So I think National Drug Authority is taking that task to make sure that we are ready for situations like that. We don't want to have a situation where we're in lockdown and we cannot provide anything for ourselves.
This story was filed by Ronnie Ulegea for Dream TV News.